Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Sign in to Google Calendar with your university email and stay organized all term. Create a new calendar named for your course load or academic term. Set the calendar time zone to your campus location for accurate class times. Adjust the default event duration to 1 hour or to match your typical class length. Add a clear description so you remember the purpose of this calendar. Check sharing settings so you can manage visibility and permissions later. Enter each class as a repeating event with start time, end time, and room details. Set the recurrence to weekly and select exact weekdays for lectures and tutorials. Add location and professor names inside the event description for quick reference. Use 15-minute notifications and email alerts for important deadlines and exam reminders. Color code courses using 3 to 5 colors to visually separate lectures, labs, and seminars. Share your calendar with classmates and set permissions to view or edit as needed. Use group sharing to coordinate group projects and study sessions with collaborators. Sync Google Calendar with your phone and enable two-way editing for real-time updates on the go. Turn on notifications on your mobile device for 15 minutes, 1 day, or custom reminder times. Import timetables using CSV or ICS files from your university portal to populate many events at once. Export your calendar regularly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.